Hi there, I'm Carolyn, trichologist at Absolique. Today we're telling you about our new online shop. So we tried this many years ago and we found people were purchasing the wrong products. So we've now managed to be able to put our base range of products up online, but we've got a special section for our prescription only products as well for those who have had diagnosis. Postage at the moment is only within Australia, so we can calculate the shipping correctly, but we'll see how we go for overseas orders. We'll still just for now be emailing in. So we're going through our main website, which is hairlosstreatments.com.au, and once you're on the website we now have a menu on the top that takes you straight to the shop. So this is relatively new. Had the shop for probably 2 months now, a few teething problems, so good to see you can go straight to the shop just by this new link. To be able to order on here, you do need to set up an account. Your account login is at the top of the page to the slight right of the logo, or right at the bottom. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, particularly on a mobile phone, right to the bottom you'll see on the left hand side there's also a login. Okay, so you need to go in there, set up your account. You will need an email address and you give yourself a username and you can just order from there. If you're going for the prescription only products, we do need to give you access, so you'll need to email me. That's info@absolique.com.au, just to say, hey, I've got my account, please give me access, and then we can go in and it's just a matter of ticking a little box. So the products we have online for now, and we will be adding more. We've got our base range, which is our scalp cleanser, our scalp tonic, and our GRN. We have our favorite Activance, and then we've got our particular PG Free 5% Minoxidil, which is compounded for us as well. So these two are very much prescription only. We are adding other scalp cleansers, so for a lot of clients, depending on your scalp condition, we have quite a few scalp cleansers we use, so we're adding them. So please follow the use of the products that you've been given in your treatment plan. We are allowing people to go and try our products, but remember, they're not hair growth products on their own. It's about correct diagnosis, and we teach you how to use them. So they are very for specific use. They're not just going to fix everything. There's a few things there that you're not seeing. Is the scalp brushes online that can be good for most people, but if you have a sensitive scalp or scalp sores, you do not want to be using scalp brushing or active alopecia. We also have the microneedle online, and again, if you've got scalp problems, you need to read through the brochure. There's some scalp conditions it is not good for. We're added our pH test kit, and as I said before, we're adding some of our other scalp cleansers, and we'll get to the point that we've got quite a bit of the nutrition that we do on there, but it is specific for our individual clients when you've had a diagnosis either in person or online, and we've given you a plan, okay, to then go online and purchase these products. Payment wise, you now have options to use PayPal. You can now also pay by credit card, and you can also use the debit card. Debit card is the one that doesn't really come with any fees, and that all comes through in the shop for you. And you confirm your delivery address, and we always check that with you as well. So our new online shop, you don't have to email us or call us. We know it's difficult sometimes coming to visit us in Clinic Brisbane because we're not always here. So we hope that helps. And as always, if you have any questions about hair loss, hair thinning, scalp concerns, you want help with diagnosis, want me to recommend a treatment for you, email me, info@absolique.com.au.